Hello everyone, this is Jodeline. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jodeline, and in this channel I just talk a little bit about life in the Philippines, and then dating, a little bit of relationship, and of course food. So I'm going to make tuna sandwich today, but with a twist. I always have tuna sandwich. It's one of our favorite here in the house, but I never had tuna sandwich with boiled eggs. So today I'm going to try tuna sandwich and eggs. Of course, I made bread yesterday, which I haven't cut it yet, and also I'm hungry. I haven't eaten yet. Okay, so let's get started. We have onion. I'm going to use a little tiny onion because it's only a tiny bit of, well, it's a small tuna can. Okay, so I'm just going to use a tiny bit of onion. Okay, we're just mincing. I wish I prepared this earlier, but here we go. Onion in. I just use this small container because it's not going to be a lot, okay? Now let's drain the tuna. This is yellowfin tuna chunks in spring water. So I love this brand and they are available in the market. So I like this one, and it's not cheap. Tuna in the Philippines is not cheap. Even though we live in a country that we have tuna. But anyway, okay. And let's drain. Of course, there's more water. Not a lot of water though. Ah! Okay, tuna in. Okay, of course, every bit counts. And again, let's put the boiled eggs. And let's just mash. Boiled egg is in. So again, this is my first time. Um, if you have experience of this before, I have egg sandwich, I mean, many times, and tuna sandwich many times as well, but not that when they are together. So, of course, the favorite part, mayonnaise. I'm using, this is Japanese mayonnaise, and lucky that we have that mayonnaise. So, and you know what? I'll add more. Salt and pepper. A little bit of salt because the tuna is a little salty already, so just tiny bit of salt. And of course, black pepper. I love black pepper. It looks good. Now let's cut the bread. I am really hungry, so let's cut the bread. This is the bread I made yesterday. So let's see. If you're wondering what is this black stuff inside the bread, this is just some dried tomatoes. By the way, this is mixed bread already. Okay, so I just added water and then baked it. You know, um, I am really afraid to cut bread. That's why I'm very careful because I don't want to cut my finger. But that's the bread. Okay, so let's try. I have butter, a little bit of butter. Let's try the small one. Okay, let's eat. Hmm. Well, it tastes like tuna and egg and mayonnaise. It's good. Let's try another one. Actually, it's good. Um, there's something about the bread because again the bread has this dried tomato, so it's a little sweet, it's a little tart, and a little bit of smoky. So I think with the tuna and egg and mayonnaise, it kind of just complemented each other. It has this nice taste. So, hmm. I hope you enjoyed the video. Try to do this and let me know what you think. Please share this video, give it a like, give it a comment, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Jodeline. Hmm.